ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു പി എസ് സി ഇൻസൈറ്റ്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേരള PSC 2020 സെപ്റ്റംബർ 24 നടത്തിയ ഓവർസിയർ ഗ്രേഡ് 1 ഓർ ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ്മാൻ ഗ്രേഡ് 1 ഫോർ സിവിൽ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റ് ഹാർബർ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 301/2018 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കോഡ് 028/2020 പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ ആണ് ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ചോദ്യങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ഡ്രോയിങ് ടു ദ ആക്ച്വൽ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ഈസ് എ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ, 2 എ കോണിക് സെക്ഷൻ വിച്ച് ഹാവ് only the directrix is option C parabola, 3 rapid hardening Portland cement having quick rate of gain of strength due to higher content of A tricalcium silicate, 4 the property of increase in volume of fine aggregate due to moisture is called B bulking, 5 good brick earth this constituent imparts plasticity to the earth, it can be molded, B alumina, 6 it is the liquid substance which hold the ingredient of paint in liquid suspension, C vehicles, 7 in chemical classification of rock marble is known as C calcareous rock, 8 the process of heating the limestone to readiness in contact with air is termed as A calcinations, 9 the portion from which the branches is removed receives nourishment from the trunk and dark rings which are known as A nodes, 10 it indicate the loss of water penetrated into the soil, it may join some underground water, C percolation, 11 for potable water the amount of chloride should not exceed D 250 ppm, 12 the theoretical time taken by a particle of water to pass between entry and exit of a setting tank is known as A detention period. The valve is an automatic device which allows water to go one direction only, option D reflex valve, 14 the term used to indicate the waste water from bathroom, kitchen, etc., C sullage, 15 it is constructed to provide a connection between the high level branch sewers to low level main sewer with a minimum amount of disturbances, A drop manhole, 16 amount of oxygen required to carrying out the biological decomposition of dissolved solids in sewage under aerobic condition at the standard condition, C biochemical oxygen demand, 17 the term is used to indicate the sludge which is obtained by settling sewage in presence of abundant oxygen, A activated sludge, 18 the quantity of liquid waste which flows in sewage during the period of rainfall is known as option D storm sewage, 19 what is the minimum amount of DO required for the survival of aquatic animal, option D 4 milligram per liter, 20 the length of surveyor's chain is option C 66 feet, 21 meridian through a point is a line in which a plane passing that point and the north and the south pole intersection with the surface of the earth, C true meridian, 22 convert the angle 320 degree 24 minute 0 second to quadrantal bearing, option A north 32 degree 36 minute 0 second west, 23 the process of determining the plotted position of the station occupied by the plane table by means of sight taken towards known point location of which have been plotted, option D resection, 24 it is the method of direct leveling the object of which is solely to determine the difference in 2 points regardless of the horizontal position of the point with respect of each other. Option D, fly leveling. 25. Contour lines of different elevation can intersect only in the case of option B, overhanging cliff. 26. It is the line passing through the intersection of the horizontal and vertical crosshairs and the optical center of the object glass and its continuation. Option C, line of collimation. An angle is measured two or more times by allowing the vernier to remain clamped each time at the end of each measurement instead of setting it back at zero when sighting at the previous station. Option A, repetition method. 28. It is a combination of electronic theodolite and an electronic distance meter. Option A, total station. 29. A small pocket instrument used for measuring horizontal and vertical angle. A box sextant. 30. When the vertical circle of a theodolite is on the right side of the observer, the position is option D, face right. 31. In an open traverse, the included angle at a station 209 degree 16 minutes 0 second. Deflection angle at the point is option A, 29 degree 16 minutes 0 second. 32. Which method is used for balancing the traverse when the angular and linear measurement are equally precise? Option A, Bowditcher's rule. 33. Point where alignment changes from curve to straight. Option C, point of tangency. 34. The process of collecting information about an object or an area without being the direct contact. Option C, remote sensing. 35. The value of the strength of the material below which not more than 5% of the test result are expected to fall. Option D, characteristic strength. 36. In limit state of flexure, the maximum strain in concrete at the outermost compression fiber in bending is taken as option A, 0.0035. 37. The maximum spacing of shear reinforcement measured along the axis of the member should not exceed option B, 450 mm. 38. The strength of the compression member with helical reinforcement, the strength of the similar member with lateral ties is option B, 1.05 times. 39. The member subjected to torsion shall be designed for the fictitious shear which is function of the actual shear and torsion. Option B, equivalent shear. 40. Minimum size of the longitudinal bars in a column shall be option C, 16 mm. 41. In RCC retaining wall, extra bars provided to satisfy the bearing pressure are known as option B, double bars. 42. The minimum elongation percentage on standard gauge of mild steel is option D, 23%. 43. A member if a stress which is under compressive force is known as option C, strut. 44. The distance from the center of bolt hole to the nearest edge is known as option B, edge distance. 45. Minimum pitch of bolt shall not be less than option C, 2.5 D. 46. Least value of design strength of bolt in bearing, design strength of bolt in shear is known as option C, bolt value. 47. The member of roof trough subjected to traverse load and rest on rafters are known as option C, purlins. 48. To minimize the wind forces on the roof, the slope of the roof in degrees should not exceed option A, 30 degree. 49. The ratio of lateral strain to axial strain is a constant for homogeneous material, A, Poisson's ratio. 50. The maximum energy stored at elastic limit of the material is known as option C, proof resilience. 51. A simply supported beam of span L carries a uniformly distributed load W per unit length. The maximum bending moment at the midpoint will be option A, W L square by 8. 52. The shear stress in a circular shaft of radius r subjected to torsion is maximum at a point, option D, at the surface of the shaft. 53. Modulus of section Z, a hollow circular section with external diameter d and internal diameter small d will be, option C, pi by 32 into d cube minus small d cube. 54. A circular column of diameter d under any load will have compressive stress throughout the section of the load act within concentric circle known as core of diameter, option D, small d by 4. 55. Euler's crippling load for a column of length small l with both ends fixed is, option C, 4 pi square EI divided by L square. 56. A fixed beam of span L is loaded with central point load W. The bending moment at the center will be WL by 8. 57. The maximum deflection at free end of cantilever of span L under a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length is given by, option A, WLQ L raised to 4 by 8 EI. 58. The tendency of a material to fracture without appreciable deformation is called, option D, brittleness. 59. When a body is fully immersed in water, a point through which the resultant pressure act is known as, option B, center of pressure. 60. A flow in which the velocity of liquid particle at all sections of the pipe or channel are equal is called, option A, uniform flow. 61. It is an instrument to determine the velocity at a required point in the flowing stream, option C, pitot tube. 62. It is the velocity at which the flow changes laminar flow to turbulent flow, option B, velocity of flow. 63. It is a tank is also provided just on the upstream of the power to control the pressure variation and eliminate the effect of water hammer, option A, surge tank. 64. I is the ratio of inertia force to the gravity force, option A, Froude's number. 65. It is defined as a fall of moisture from the atmosphere to the earth's surface in any form, option D, precipitation. 66. The permeable formation having structure which permit appreciable quantity of water to move through them under ordinary field condition, option D, aquifer. 67. It is the overflow portion of dam over which surplus discharge flow from the reservoir to the downstream, option A, spillway. 68. An embankment protected on all sides by stone or concrete block built at right angle to the axis of wear separation of the wear and under sluices, option C, groin. 69. The crops which cannot normally be grown without irrigation water are called, option A, wet crops. 70. The relation between the area irrigated and the quantity of water used is expressed as, option A, duty. 71. The amount of water stored in river channel without any artificial storage is known as the, option C, valley storage. 72. The area of the land which drain into the stream of reservoir is called, option D, catchment area. 73. Canal normally used for diversion or flood water of river is, option D, inundation canal. 74. It is defined as a slope of the line joining the crown and the edge of the surface, option A, camber. 75. The solution of the bitumen, asphalt or coal tar in solvents is, option B, cutbacks. 76. It is a safety island and serves the dual purpose of affording the protection to the pedestrians and segregating the traffic into the proper channel, option A, refuge island. 77. The pavement which can resist tensile stresses and having very little resistance to the deformation under the wheel load, option D, rigid pavement. 78. The longitudinal movement of rails in a track due to various reasons. Option A, creeping of rails. 79. Clear horizontal distance between inner face of two rails forming the track at the top is option A, gauge. 80. The arrangement to divert a train from one track to another is known as option A, turnout. 81. Station which are meant only for the control of track is called option D, flag station. 82. Paved surface used for landing and takeoff of the aircraft is known as option D, runway. 83. Upstream nose of bridge pier shaped for easy and smooth flow of water through it is known as option C, cutwater. 84. The supports provided to superstructure of the bridge at the abutment and piers allowing free longitudinal or angular movements to the main girders or trusses of bridge. Option B. Option D, bearings. 85. A bridge having maximum span 6 meter is called option C, culvert. 86. The formal approval by the department concerned of the project proposal for incurring the expenditure on a work initiated is option C, administration sanction. 87. The determination of rate of an item of work from quantities of material and labors are and their cost is option D, analysis of rate. 88. The total area of floor in between the walls and consisting of floor of all rooms, verandas, passages, corridors, etc. are known as option C, floor area. 89. 1 cubic meter of Portland cement weighs option B, 1440 kilogram. 90. The term used to denote the gradual reduction in the useful life of the asset is option C, depreciation. 91. The value at the end of the utility period without being dismantled. Option B, salvage value. 92. The capacity of doing work by an artisan or skilled labor in the form of quantity of work per day is known as option A, outturn work. 93. The expected outturn of cement concrete 1:2:4 per mason per day is 6 meter cube. 94. The drafting setting used to constrain the movement of cursor either horizontal or vertical direction is option C, ortho command. 95. The command used to set drawing boundaries in AutoCAD is option D, limits. 96. Volume right cone having 20 cm base diameter and 15 cm height. Option B, 1570 cm cube. The price of 100 of an object is increased twice 10% than the present price is. Option B, 121. Setback distance required at rear of building is option B, 1.50 meter. 99. Minimum area of the bathroom with water closet is option A, 2.1 meter square. Last question, 100th question. Minimum width of tread without nosing in residential building is option B, 25.0 centimeter. അത്യാവശ്യം സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആയിരുന്നു ഇന്നത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ. ഒരു ആവറേജ് കട്ട് ഓഫ് 40 എബോവ് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. എക്സാം എഴുതിയ എല്ലാവരും ആൻസർ കീയുമായിട്ട് ഒത്തുനോക്കുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ സ്കോറ് വിലയിരുത്തുക. കൂടുതൽ ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്കായിട്ട് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്